This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. The simple way to think of crypto mining is that it's a way to create new digital coins. But the simplicity ends there. To dig those coins up, you'll need to solve complicated puzzles, validate cryptocurrency transactions on a blockchain network, and including them to a distributed ledger. Because digital platforms can be easily manipulated, additional security measures are put into place. For example, only verified miners can update transactions on Bitcoin's ledger, which helps prevent double spending. Because distributed ledgers lack of central authority, mining is a key part of validating transactions. Miners are incentivized to secure the network by participating in the validation process and are then rewarded with newly minted coins. If you're interested to this, I suggest you stay with me until the end of this video. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how does crypto mining work. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get updates whenever we post. And when it comes to how crypto mining works, there's so much to discuss, so let's get started. One thing's for sure, you won't need any dump trucks or shovels to bring any of these precious gems into your crypto wallet. You see, mining cryptocurrencies require you to learn certain aspects of computer hardware and software that can be sometimes very confusing, especially for the first timer. Not to mention, there's some basic checklist requirements that you should go over every attempting to run multiple miners. To ensure that only verified crypto miners can mine and validate transactions, a proof of work consensus protocol is established. This protocol also ensures that the network is safe from any outside attacks. A proof of work is necessary to publish the latest block in the chain. The work itself is done by miners whose computers perform millions of computations to change a given input into a required output. The first miner to produce the required output shares it with the network, which then double-checks to see if it's functioning and performing correctly. If it does, the miner is rewarded with crypto. To begin with the first step, you'll need a very powerful computer to handle all the bandwidth it takes to mine for crypto. After that, you'll need to create a crypto wallet. Crypto wallets store your private keys, the passwords that give you access to cryptocurrencies, and keep them safe and accessible. The next step is to join a mining pool to maximize profit potential. A mining pool is basically a group of miners who combine their resources to maximize their mining power. Any mining profits are distributed equally to pool members. Here's how crypto mining works. In a nutshell, crypto miners verify the legitimacy of transactions in order to reap the rewards of their work in the form of cryptocurrencies. To understand how most cryptocurrencies mining works in a more technical sense, you first need to understand the technologies and processes behind it. This includes understanding what blockchain is and how it works. The first thing to know is that two things are central to the concept of blockchain: public key encryption and math. While I'm definitely a fan of the first, I'll admit that the latter isn't my strong suit. However, public key cryptography, aka public key encryption or asymmetric encryption, and math go together in blockchains like burgers and beer. Traditional cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin use a decentralized ledger known as blockchain. A blockchain is a series of chained data blocks that contain key pieces of data, including cryptographic hashes. These blocks, which are integral to a blockchain, are groups of data transactions that get added to the end of the ledger. Not only does this add a layer of transparency, but it also serves as an ego inflator when people get to see their transactions being added or chained to the blockchain. Even though it doesn't have their names listed on it, it often still evokes a sense of pride and excitement. While mining processes high-power computers preferably solve complex mathematical equations, the first coder to crack all code can authorize the transaction. As an outcome of the service, miners earn small amounts of cryptocurrency. Once the miner triumphantly solves the mathematical problem and verifies the transaction, they add the data to the public ledger, which is called a blockchain. There's what we call proof of work. This is the algorithm that secures several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. It ensures that no single authority becomes so powerful that it begins to run the show. This process executed by miners is a necessary part of adding new blocks of transaction data to the blockchain. A new block is only added to the blockchain system if a miner comes up with a new winning proof of work. This happens after every 10 minutes in the network. The goal of proof of work is to prevent users from printing extra coins they didn't earn or double spending. How can you start mining? If you're thinking of beginning mining, for that you require a high-performance computer. Also, create a wallet for popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and join a mining pool to accelerate profitability. These pools are a group of miners who join their resources to enhance their mining power. The profit created for minting is then distributed evenly to all members in the pool. Mining pools permit individuals to work together and fight more effectively. There are actually different mining methods. Most cryptocurrency mining is done one of two ways, either with a specialized graphics processing unit or GPU, or with an application-specific integrated circuit or ASIC. Here's a quick look. GPU mining is a process of solving complex math problems to verify electronic transactions using computer components, in this case a graphics card. Miners who participate can either create digital coins or get paid for their processing power in cryptocurrency. Computational power is maximized by bringing together a set of GPUs under a rig to mining. Crypto miners is required to be a member of an online crypto mining pool. This requires a motherboard, cooling system, and GPUs in the rig must be connected to a stable internet connection. ASIC or application-specific integrated chips are considered some of the most efficient chipsets and currently get utilized in today's Bitcoin mining. ASIC is designed to mine a specific cryptocurrency. This method can produce more cryptocurrency units than GPUs, but it's also more costly. ASIC miners are typically very easy to configure as they come pre-built and plug-and-play straight from the manufacturer. If you're wondering if there are benefits and drawbacks of crypto mining, well, yes. The benefit of mining for cryptocurrency is that you can make money off it. In some cases, the financial haul is substantial. Look no further than a pair of young Texas siblings. 14-year-old Ishan Thakur and his 9-year-old sister Anya, who have earned more than $30,000 a month mining Bitcoin, Ether, and Ravencoin. The main drawback is that it also costs a lot of money to mine crypto, both in terms of the hardware you need to purchase and the amount of electricity required to mine for it. This makes it difficult to turn a profit unless you're very good at it. Another drawback is the environmental impact. As the New York Times reported, the process of creating Bitcoin consumes about 91 terawatt-hours of electricity a year, more than is used by Finland, a nation of about 5.5 million people. Crypto mining involves several proof systems depending on the type of cryptocurrency. Since the blockchain is decentralized, mining is uniquely different from central banks and the creation of fiat. What are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.